Hi again friends. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to sort values in a combo box. So here when it comes to sorting, now one first question which will come in your mind is how do we sort names? Okay, whenever okay, if it is about sorting of integer values, for example 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 1, 3, then sorting of sorting order of these, if I want to sort in ascending order, it will be 1, then 2, then 3, then 3 again, then I think it's 5, then 7, then 9. Yeah, this is the sorted order. So when it is number, it is very easy to detect what will be the sorting order, because everyone knows 1 is the smallest number among these, and then 2, and then 3. But when it comes to characters, sorting is a little different. Here, in general, if you ask me A, C, B, D, Z, and R, so what will be the sorting of it? It will be A, B, sorry, A, B, then C, then D, then R, then Z. This will be the sorted order. Okay, but basically it is not comparing A to B. What it is comparing the ASCII values of A and B. For example, if I write A is greater than B, I am checking if A is greater than B. In that case, it doesn't compare A and B. It cannot compare A and B because these are characters, right? What it checks is the ASCII value. So for this video, let me just show you what ASCII values are. So for number 0, the ASCII value is 48. That is why 0 comes first. So 1 ASCII value is 49, 2 ASCII value is 50, 3 ASCII value is 51. Similarly, for all capital letters, ASCII value starts from 65. So if I compare, if A is capital A is greater than capital B, in that case it will compare ASCII value of A, is it greater than the ASCII value of B or not. This is how it compares. Okay, same for small a. If you see 97, so definitely small a is always greater than capital A, because ASCII value of small a is greater than ASCII value of capital A, and in this case small a is also greater than capital Z. Alright, so this is because ASCII value of capital Z is 90 and ASCII value of small a is 97. So this is what you need to know before we start sorting the values. So how will we sort the value? For example, let me show it in integer form. This will be easy to understand. So let's write it's there 4, 3, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, and 1. How sorting will happen? What I will do here for sorting, I will take I will loop through this entire sheet. Let me take one more. 4. This will be my sorted value. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll run a variable I. So let me put I here. I will start from 1 to 4. Sorry, 1 to 4, because there are 4 values. Okay, initially I will be 1, then I will be 2, I will be 3, I will be 4. This is value of I. Let me change these values to say 14, 13, 12, 11. These are the values that I'll sort. There are 4 numbers, so I will start from 1 to 4, index number 1 to 4. I'll have another variable j, which will start from I to 4. So what it will do basically, okay, it will, no, if I is 1, j will start from 1 and compare. For example, if I is 1, so what is the index 1? 14 number. It will compare 14 to next number I, 13. Is these two, if 14 is less than 13, if it is greater than 13, then it will swap these number. Swapping means it will put 13 here, it will put 14 here. Then I will remain the same, j will move to the next index. I will remain 13, j will move to the next index. Then I'll compare 13 to 12, whichever is smaller. If it is smaller, then I will put 12 here, I will put 13 here. And then I'll compare 12 with the rest of the values. Whichever is smaller, I will put it here. So when loop runs for the first time, I'll have the smallest number on the top. Then I will move I to 2. Okay, then I will move to 2. Once I is moved to 2, now I value is here. J will start from 2 to 3 and then 4. So when I is 2, then I'll compare this with this. If it is the below number is smaller, then I'll swap. I'll put 13 here and 14 here. Then next time I'll compare 13 to 12. If 12 is smaller, then I'll swap 12 here, 13 here. So once this loop is done, I'll have my first two number already in sorted order. Next time these two number will get sorted order. We have 13 here and 14 here. This is the logic. How do we sort the values? So let me show you how to do it in code. I'll quickly write down the code because time is a little limited. So let me go to the code window quickly. So basically here is the code. I have already written it. So let me just explain you what this code does. As I told you, index number of a combo box. Up to here we have already in my previous videos I have already shown you how to this code basically loads only unique values into the combo box. Here is the sorting which happens. Let me show you how to sort values. First I define a variable temporarily. This temporary variable is used to swap the values. Okay, so this is a for loop which is running I equal to 0 to length of the combo box, total number of the combo box elements, and then I run another variable j which starts from I and runs the combo box values. Okay, here I check if the value of I is greater than combo box item number j. If ith item is greater than jth item, then I do the swapping. So this is basically the swapping code. So how this swapping is done, I put value of ith element into temp variable. Then my ith variable is not basically empty, but I can overwrite it. Then because I have temporarily hold this value into the temp, so I clear this value and put new value to ith element, and the new value ith element. Okay, then I want to put value of ith element to jth element. Then I assign value of temp which is holding the value of original value of ith element back into jth element. So what basically it is doing, it is whatever value is here, it is putting into ith element, and whatever value was there in ith element, it is putting into jth element. Basically the swapping which I shown you in this screen. Okay, so this is basically how this code runs. So let me just quickly run through the code. If you click command, okay, if you see all are sorting A, then G, H, there is no I, so J, M first, JAR next, JO next, then JKM. So this is how it works. There are two S, so it checks for the next character, so it is SA. Okay, it is SO, so A comes first, O comes next. Okay, so in next video I'll be showing you how to sort if small characters are there. I'll discuss that in my next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment in case you need any further help on this, and let me know if if you see there is anything I can do to improve how I teach. Thank you so much for watching this, and next video please don't miss to view the next video. Thank you so much.